If you're tired of seeing Reels on Facebook, there's no one-tap turn-off button, but you can limit or hide them. Here's how. First method, hide specific Reels. Open the Facebook app and scroll through your feed or go to the Reels section. When you see a Reel, tap the three dots on it. Then tap Hide Reel. This tells Facebook you're not interested, so you'll start seeing fewer Reels over time. Now, second method, remove the Reels tab completely. Go to the menu at the bottom right, then tap the settings icon at the top, scroll down and find Tab Bar. Tap on Customize the bar. Look for Reels in the list. Change it from Auto or Pin to Hide. That's it. The Reels tab will disappear from your navigation bar. Keep in mind, you might still see some Reels in your feed, but much less than before.